Today is Memorial Day, and we are going to take a Jeep ride through the beautiful Ozark Mountains to a secluded little hideaway called Falling Water Falls, which is near Ben Hur, Arkansas. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank our veterans, past and present, and to remember those who gave their life in sacrifice for our freedom. The first little town that we come to is Leslie, Arkansas. It's a very quaint little town with a beautiful church and lots of cute little shops downtown. But because it was Memorial Day and Monday, everything was closed. The next town that we'll come to is larger and called Marshall. It is just your average small town, not very quaint, so I didn't take any video of it. If you decide to go to Falling Water Falls and take Highway 16, make sure to stop at Hillbilly Slim's because that's the only place to use the bathroom and to get snacks or drinks for quite a ways. There are no bathrooms at the falls. Hillbilly Slim's has a variety of snacks and souvenirs and funny t-shirts and weird things, and also a very good restaurant. They do not have gasoline though, so make sure that you fill up your car in Marshall or another town close by. We decided to have lunch here, and I had my mouth set on chicken livers, but they were out. So I chose the fish, and Steve chose the smoked meatloaf. The meatloaf was exceptional. And remember, as Slim says, life is short, so smile while you still have teeth. The last 4 or 5 miles of the trip are on a dirt road, so please be aware of that and be prepared. Once you get to the falls, though, it is so worth the little bit of dust on your vehicle. There's plenty of parking space, and we were greeted by these lovely orange daylilies. There are steps down to the falls area, but they were very shallow and easily negotiable for me. I do have trouble walking, but I didn't have any trouble getting down here to view the falls. I don't think I could have gone to the bottom, but I still got to see how beautiful it is and those unique rock formations. This reminds me of when I was a child and our whole family would gather to go swimming together in the woods. These kids were jumping over the falls and into the pond. There were also lots of doggies enjoying the day. If you do decide to go, remember to bring your ice chest, your lawn chairs, your bathing suits, and just enjoy this beautiful space. But also remember, there are no bathrooms.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? From the land of
We ended the day in one of our favorite little towns, Mountain View, where we enjoyed some music and some dancing.
I'm gonna send you down the front steps, shave your face in your head. I could have left 29 more to see me floor from my bed.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.